Hi guys, how to delete YouTube channel on PC or laptop. Thinking about deleting your YouTube channel? Maybe you're starting fresh or just done with YouTube altogether. Stay tuned, because I'll show you how to permanently delete your YouTube channel safely and step by step. Now open YouTube, and click the profile icon. And scroll down, click the settings. And click the view advanced settings. And scroll down, you see the delete channel, click on it. After that, click the I want to permanently delete my content. And following two boxes and select that. And down click the delete my content. After that, type in your content or channel name. And down click the delete my content. And that's it, your YouTube channel is deleted successfully. Clean start. Fresh beginning. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy tech guides. See you in the next one. Stay smart, stay secure.